Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 4th August 2024. Title of Murli. The proof of having accurate remembrance is to become an embodiment of power and sustain others with the powers. Bap Dada said, on this day, especially children from everywhere, remain absorbed in love in the remembrance of Father Brahma. In the same way, Brahma also remained absorbed in the love of the children. Seeing the speciality of each child, these words were coming out of Father Brahma's mouth, Vah children, Vah. Well done children, well done. And the Gangas and Yamuna of love were flowing from the eyes of the children. Each child was absorbed in the river of love. Further Baba said, this one awareness is the key to attain all powers. I am Baba's and Baba is mine. This awareness is called the golden key. These 5 things, nature, Maya, sanskars, atmosphere, and the influence of association are the 5-headed snake on which you have to become entitled and dance. Each one of you should ask yourself, have you made these 5 snakes into a garland around your neck? Have you made them a bed of rest? Have you made them a stage for dancing? When you wear this garland, you will then become the nearest beads in the Father's garland of victory. Finally, Baba said, according to the time, you children need special power of tolerance, and when a problem arises, the power to face it in action is necessary. It is not just necessary for the mind and words, it is necessary even in action. But it has been seen that although you have awareness, when the time comes, there is a difference in using the power practically. The power is less in comparison to awareness, so now bring the power into form. Blessing for today. May you be seated on a lotus seat and experience God's love by being detached from any awareness of bodies. Details are: a lotus seat is a symbol of the elevated stage of Brahman souls. Souls who are seated on such a lotus seat are automatically detached from any awareness of bodies. No awareness of bodies pulls them. Father Brahma always had an angelic form or deity form in his awareness while walking and moving around. In the same way, when you have a natural, soul-conscious stage, you are said to be detached from having any awareness of bodies. Those who stay beyond any awareness of bodies are loved by God. Slogan is, your specialities and virtues have been given to you by God as Prabhu Prasad, and to consider them to be your own is to have body consciousness. Om Shanti.